So today we're going to get this into that. Probably won't run today, but we'll see. I only say that is because I have some expansion chamber issues I gotta work out with the muffler. So we'll see. First of all, this bugger's heavy. Oh, first of all, I gotta take out. I may have slightly over-exaggerated that. I gotta take the swing arm axle first. Duh. We'll get this out of here. Now here we go. Find out what else is in the way. Radiator hose. Spark plugs hitting stuff. Fingers caught. Ow. There we go. Now we just got the X back in. Well, I got the motor all in. Now I tightened it up. I put the clutch cable on already and got the coolant hose on. Now it's just a matter of just buttoning everything up and getting it ready to fire up. I got to fit up the expansion chamber and then figure out my muffler situation. So there she is, all ready to go. I'm about ready to fire it up for the first time. I don't have gas in it yet, but I thought I'd give a little brief overview, maybe a little bit, I don't know. So it's all together. I do gotta get the shock charged. I just got it all on here. I wanted to be able to start it up. I took a muffler I got from another bike. It wasn't for this. And then I took, you see this? This is the old pipe off of it. So I cut the pipe off the end. Here's I got a lot of junk laying around. The original silencer muffler. Chopped the end off of that and welded it on to the other one. It turned out pretty good. The only thing is it mounts in a different spot than I think it's supposed to, so it kind of pushes the plastic out just a little bit, but overall not too bad. So I'm getting nervous. My first starts haven't been so good. Still haven't touched that since the last video I made of it, not starting. I need to get back on it. But yeah, I do got some RMX decals coming. They just haven't got here yet. And since the last video, I put my got some hand guards for it. Put the headlight back on. That's just put it all back together. So let's bring. Maybe I'll start it in here. I don't know. Maybe I'll bring it outside. It's like 40 out. So maybe we'll try that. First we gotta get some gas in it. This funnel in here. That should be enough to get her going. Appears I got a little bit of a gas leak coming from somewhere. I don't know yet. Looks like it. Better shut this off. It's coming out of the petcock too. It's all full of gas. I don't know if it's just running down there, and I don't know. We've got to figure that out first. All right, I'm in the process of tearing it back down because that petcock, which is on the other side, leaks like crazy. It leaks when it's turned off, it leaks when it's on, it leaks everywhere. That's all it does is leak. So I'm just going to take the tank off. Sure, it's just some O-rings or something. This might delay my start here, but I thought I'd show you the silencer I got. You know, here's the stock piece off the stock silencer, and I welded it on. You know, cut the one that was on this because it had some weird bend. It would never work, but I can't remember what one this came off. I think that was off my 91. That's the kid had on there, and it was just a cobbled up piece of junk. So it fits on there pretty good. I think the stock one's supposed to bolt on right there or something. This thing had another bracket that went out, and because it has a different fender and had a big huge muffler, and so it's not quite right, but I think it's going to work fine. So it beats spending the it's $179 for one. So if I can modify one to work, that's what we're going to do. So next is going to be get this tank off and get it all fixed.